Hi, in today's video, I am going to talk about Major Rogers.
Hi.
No, not about Captain Steve Rogers. Elephant hunting is a crime against nature, but 200 years ago, it was an adventurous sport. In early 1800s, Sri Lanka was ruled by the British Empire. After the martial law defeated the rebellion of the Velasquez, so many settlements were abandoned. Those areas became forests and jungle beasts roamed freely. Elephant attacks were common news, so most of the British officers hunted them as a sport and as a service to common people. Among them was Major Thomas Rogers. But the significance is the number of elephants that he killed. Many records say many numbers. The lowest number is more than 1,400. Some say he has lost counting of his kills. Major Rogers arrived at this country in 1824. He joined the army as a second lieutenant. Eventually, he became assistant government agent of Badulla in 1834. Records say that he was a skilled administrator and built all the roads in Ua province. For 11 years in Ua province, he has killed more than 1,400 elephants. As the records say, he was warned by a Buddhist monk during his hunting journey on Mineria Route that he will be punished by lightning for killing elephants and disturbing the balance of the nature. That was in January 1845. After 8 months, a rogue elephant killed 2 bullock cart riders near Badulla. So Major Rogers planned to hunt this elephant. He gathered a hunting party including C.R. Burra, the government agent of Central Province. They stopped at Haputale rest house for lunch. There they were caught by rain. And after the rain has stopped, Major Rogers stepped outside of the rest house to see the rain has gone. And suddenly he was struck by lightning and died. He was only 41 years old then. He was buried in a small church graveyard in Norelia. But as the record says, this gravestone was struck by lightning again and again for nearly 100 times. So where is this grave in Norelia? Come, I'll take you to the place. It's situated in the back of the golf club. The entrance is from the Grand Hotel Road near the Prime Minister's quarters. You shouldn't leave this door open. You should close this gate after you come in. Here it is. You can see that it's shattered into pieces. As some say, by lightning. There are several graves around it because it's a church graveyard. Wanted to talk with you today. Until next time, I'll see you with more fun facts. Bye!